trouble already. Cars in the wall. Danica Patrick, David Ruderman, and more down on the grass. And Kyle Busch.
Yeah, it looked like Danica was basically in the middle of the racetrack. You see, going into turn one. And just made a kind of an erratic move, and the car just jumped out from under.
Well, very similar to what happened to Kyle Busch on the first lap of practice yesterday morning, although he was able to just maybe hit the side more than the front. But car just got loose as she tried to turn down in the corner.
Still lined up outside. 3 wide middle. Still 3 middle. You all right?
Kyle Busch.
Stay low, ease up here, ease up, get down, keep coming.
I'm not sure if he got maybe tapped from behind or if it's just that. No, I don't think there's nobody behind him, so that didn't happen. It's just, this shows you how difficult it is with these cold tires. You try to turn the steering wheel at all, next thing you know, you're out of control. Kyle and his brother Kurt having to start at the back of the line in backup cars after their crashes here. And yeah, that 18 just goes around. You can see he's just starting to try to make his move to miss the accident, and the car gets away from him. All the liquid trailing behind the 10. That was quite a shot.
It was. Yes. It was. That's a hard angle right there.